Today, we take you to the largest Toyota factory in America, Toyota Motor Manufacturing Kentucky, TMMK. The world's biggest Toyota plant, where cars are produced every single day that directly compete with BYD and Tesla. This factory is not only massive in size, but also extraordinary in its operations. Imagine a new car being built every 60 seconds. Yes, every single minute, a brand new Toyota rolls out, ready to hit the road. Over 2,000 cars are made here daily, with strict timelines and unmatched quality. Cars like the Camry RAV4 Hybrid and Lexus ES, designed specifically for the US market, are manufactured here. But the bigger question is Toyota now preparing to overtake Tesla and BYD in the electric and hybrid race? What's happening inside this factory isn't just manufacturing. It's the beginning of an automobile revolution. Inside the TMMK factory in Kentucky, one car is produced every minute through a process powered by precision technology and world-class planning. Toyota's secret lies in its legendary systems, lean manufacturing, Kaizen, and just-in-time production. Lean manufacturing ensures zero waste, no excess materials, no wasted time. Everything arrives exactly when needed, keeping production flowing smoothly. Kaizen, a Japanese principle meaning continuous improvement, helps Toyota enhance every section of its process daily. Machines, workers, and workflows are constantly analyzed for efficiency. Then comes the just-in-time system, Toyota's trademark, where each part arrives on the assembly line exactly when required, eliminating the need for extra storage or idle inventory. This precise orchestration allows Toyota to produce a car every minute, not through magic, but through perfect coordination between humans and technology. Robots perform complex tasks like body assembly and welding with millimeter-level accuracy, while artificial intelligence, AI, monitors every stage, tracking part placement, timing, and even detecting minor defects invisible to the human eye. AI-powered sensors ensure flawless quality control, instantly flagging any issue. This combination of robotics and AI makes production faster, cleaner, and more reliable, like a perfectly tuned clock. TMMK is more than a car factory. It's a university of automation. Every day, Toyota makes its AI smarter, its robots more versatile, and its workers better trained. Over 8,000 people work here, each contributing with skill and passion. Toyota treats its employees as family. Painters, assemblers, testers. Everyone's role is respected. Worker happiness is considered essential to vehicle quality. New employees undergo comprehensive training before operating any machines, covering safety, technology, and teamwork. Safety is a top priority. Helmets, gloves, uniforms, and AI-equipped machines ensure a risk-free environment. Regular health checkups, rest zones, and insurance reflect Toyota's care for its workers. Toyota also values innovation from within. Through Kaizen sessions, employees are encouraged to share ideas for improvement, and good suggestions are implemented immediately. This inclusiveness turns every worker into a contributor to innovation, not just labor. Economically, the factory is a powerhouse, employing over 8,000 Americans, sourcing locally, and fueling the U.S. economy. Many employees have been with Toyota for over a decade, and their loyalty stems from being heard, respected, and valued. This creates a positive environment where satisfaction translates directly into vehicle perfection. But the TMMK factory isn't just about hybrid or gasoline cars anymore. It's laying the foundation for Toyota's electric revolution. Toyota is ramping up its EV production plans, designing new platforms that can support petrol, hybrid, and electric vehicles all under one roof. Silent prototype EVs are already being tested inside the plant, as Toyota aims to enter the EV market not half-heartedly, but fully prepared. One of the most critical areas of transformation is battery manufacturing. Toyota plans to produce its own batteries at TMMK, gaining full control over quality and performance. A high-tech battery unit is under construction, equipped with advanced techniques like dry electrode processing, layer-by-layer assembly, and in-house testing from cell to pack. By making batteries internally, Toyota can ensure better safety, reliability, and longevity. Currently, the factory is developing two main types, nickel metal hydride for hybrids and lithium-ion for full EVs. Both are undergoing rigorous testing for voltage stability, thermal control, and strength. Beyond that, Toyota is working on solid-state batteries, the next generation of power storage, faster charging, higher energy density, and improved safety. If successful, this could make TMMK the first Toyota facility to mass-produce solid-state batteries in the coming years. Toyota's goal is clear, not just to compete with Tesla and BYD, but to surpass them. And it's starting right here, in the heart of Kentucky, where technology, tradition, and teamwork are driving the next great revolution in the global automobile industry. When the company has its own batteries, it will gain full freedom, the power to control everything from design to pricing. At Toyota's Kentucky factory, TMMK, building a car isn't just about assembling parts. It's about testing, inspecting, and perfecting every detail before it reaches the customer. After each car is built, it goes through multiple stages of testing, from digital diagnostics to real-world driving trials. First, every system of the car, engine, brakes, sensors, battery, and lights, is connected to computers for a complete software scan. Then, the car is taken to Toyota's private test track, where professional drivers push it through high-speed runs, sharp turns, and sudden braking tests. The suspension, braking power, and even sound insulation are all carefully evaluated. No matter whether the car is sold locally in America or exported overseas, Toyota never compromises on quality. Every vehicle is held to the same global standard. Toyota believes that even one moment of poor quality can permanently break a customer's trust, which is why every single car leaves this factory after passing flawless inspections. Looking toward the future, Toyota is preparing for another revolution, the solid-state battery. Most electric vehicles today rely on lithium-ion batteries, which still face issues like overheating, long charging times, and limited lifespan. Toyota aims to solve all of these with solid-state technology, which replaces liquid electrolytes with solid ones. The benefit? Safer batteries that charge faster and last longer. Excitingly, the initial prototype testing for these solid-state batteries will take place right here at TMMK. Toyota has transformed this factory into a future-ready innovation hub where new technologies are tested first. If all goes as planned, within the next 2 to 3 years, this plant could become the birthplace of Toyota's first solid-state battery-powered electric vehicle. Toyota understands that hybrids alone aren't enough anymore. With companies like Tesla and BYD already leading the EV market, Toyota is ready to enter the arena, equipped with the battery of the future. And it's starting right here, in the same factory where one car is built every minute and new technologies emerge every year. Toyota's Kentucky factory produces some of America's favorite vehicles: the Toyota Camry, RAV4 Hybrid, and Lexus ES. The Camry has long been America's best-selling sedan, loved for its strong build, excellent fuel economy, and smooth comfort. The RAV4 Hybrid caters to drivers seeking both power and efficiency, while the Lexus ES, Toyota's premium luxury sedan, rivals Tesla and BMW in the high-end market. These vehicles aren't just admired for their looks. They're engineered specifically for American roads, ensuring comfort on long-distance drives, high-speed stability, and family-friendly reliability. Toyota has been a pioneer in hybrid technology for decades. When most automakers were still focused on petrol and diesel, Toyota introduced the Prius, the world's first mass-market hybrid, proving that a car could run on both petrol and electric power seamlessly. Since then, Toyota has only improved, refining its hybrid systems in models like the RAV4 Hybrid. These vehicles not only save fuel but also excel in performance and dependability, the product of years of research, experience, and continuous improvement. Today, the TMMK factory has become the backbone of Toyota's success in America. The cars built here stand out not just for design or space, but for reliability, a quality that keeps Toyota vehicles at the top of consumer trust year after year. While companies like Tesla dominate headlines with futuristic designs and advanced software, Toyota continues to win hearts with its powerful engines, strong build, and affordable maintenance. Vehicles like the Camry, RAV4 Hybrid, and Lexus ES roll out from this factory straight onto American roads, helping Toyota maintain and grow its market share year after year. So, can Toyota really surpass Tesla and BYD? Absolutely. Toyota's greatest strength lies in its unshakable commitment to quality and decades of earned customer trust. While Tesla and BYD focus on going all-electric, Toyota is entering the EV race strategically, backed by revolutionary solid-state battery technology. And this is just the beginning. When Toyota's future EVs deliver the same speed, reliability, and durability as its hybrid and petrol models, the entire game will change. And that transformation has already begun at TMMK. The difference between Toyota and Tesla is also reflected in their philosophies. Tesla's approach is rapid innovation, pushing for a fully electric, fully digital, fully autonomous future. Toyota's philosophy, on the other hand, is balance and perfection. Toyota believes that progress should be steady and strong, that a car isn't just a machine but a trusted companion built for every road, every season, and every family. That's why, while Tesla races ahead in speed, Toyota leads in stability and reliability. And the best example of this philosophy is the TMMK factory itself, where every car is crafted with precision, patience, and purpose. If you want to be the first to see more powerful stories about technology, cars, and automotive innovation, make sure to subscribe because the real story is the one that comes from inside.